You want to eat noodles? You want to eat noodles? You will eat noodles, okay? You want spicy noodles? You want spicy noodles? You will eat, huh? You want that? What do you want? That red one, the red? The red. This one is spicy. Ah! Kakain kami dito sa Raming Florida with Charmel and Jacob. Katatapos lang namin mag-misa. Hindi ko kami mag-early game. With Mireya Jean. Kulit. Ayan, sige, pinaglalaroan niya yung face niya. Ay, hindi pwede, baby. No, no, you can have it all. Let's go. Smile muna, show your teeth. Show your teeth muna kay mama.
You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you.
Ang hang, spicy. Namula siya. si Shermel, sa kanya, spicy na yung karaage. Nakabarikara pa siya na spicy noodles. Ewan ko na lang talaga kung hindi pa uminit yung bibig mo, be. Kasi ito kay Jacob, shiro ramen tsaka, no, pork, tonkatsu. Pork katsu. Sa akin, yung favorite ko, chicken nan pancit and hakka ramen. Sarap na sarap ang ate ko sa maanghang. Samantalang ako, nakaisang sip lang ako ng soup. Super anghang. Ang lakas nito sa anghang ng bata. Sarap, be. Yummy yarn. Samantalang ito, malikot. Malikot. You want noodles?
No.
Kanina sabi mo you will eat noodles. Ngayon, naglilikot ka na lang. Ha? Busog match na yan. Halos lahat ng pagkain niya pinaubos na kay Jacob. Ano, Jacob, okay ka pa? Busog na busog yan eh. Ang itsura niya oh. Dapat daw mag-walking daw kami sa SM, mag-window shopping na lang. Window lang may pang shopping. Na be? Tulog na siya. Natulog na. Antok yarn. Ito ang bunso ko, tulog na. Tulog na ang bunso ko. Tutulog ng baby ko. Tulog ang Mireya Jean ko. Yung dalawa suot ni Jacob. Suot ni Jacob. Shoes ni Shermel. Malit sila. Pagod na nga. Jacob. Ganyan din kami ng first boyfriend ko. Papalala ko lang. First boyfriend ko hindi sa daddy mo ba yan? Ganyan din kami partida ako noon, naka-stiletto pa ako noon. Ganyan talaga pag mga jowa. Papalitan. Na.
Bilan mo daw siya.
Nagana ba ya, Toy? Yeah, you have money? Where's your money? Ha? Baka bibili ko lang ng toy sa'yo kahapon na. I buy you 2 toys yesterday. Then you want another one? Do you have money? This one, oh. You have money? Where's your money? Where? Where's your money?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. You don't have money. Therefore, don't buy. Huh? Therefore, don't buy. Hey, baby. I thought you were sleeping. Nagbalit ka ng diaper, nagising ka. Ha? Oh, talaga mukha ka ng toys. You want that?
Yeah.
Yeah. But we don't have money.
Hey, no.
This one is
No,
Widow Pack Shoe Shape Cutters. And how about that one? What's that? This is a clay also. May I see? May I see? May I see? May I see? Give me. Hold this one.
No.
Hold. Hold. I just want to see that one.
No.
Oh. You have money? Where? You pay for that, okay? You pay for that? Yes. Kala may pera siya, no? Sexy ni Jacob, oh. Go, Jacob. Wow! Ate Sherman also has one, no? What color is yours? Wow! What's that? Wow! Put that on your bag. Ano ba? Hinahagis ni Sherman yung kanya. Yun, no? Wow! What will you say to Ate Shermel? What will you say to Ate Shermel? Ate Shermel also has, oh. Ate Shermel, black. Mireya Jean. Yeah. The Spider-Man babies. Wow.
Ah. Baka tumalsik yun.
Mahulog ka baby ko, ah. Say thank you to ate. Kiss it, ate. Kiss ate, kiss. Kiss ate, kiss. Kiss ate, kiss.
This is mine.
Thank you, Ate Shermel. Thank you, Ate Shermel. Thank you po. Are you happy?
Open.
Are you happy?
Open.
Open daw, ate. Open.
No, it's like this, diba? You have this. Then you will press this, it will talsek.
It will
It will talsek. And you can press because many people.
Pwede ka naligo na mo kang Chico.
Can you put this inside my bag?
What are you saying?
Umbrella.
Is it umbrella? Oh. You happy? Yeah? What? I love you. Kanina ayaw mo na pa ng Spider-Man, ha? Oh. Happen. It's okay. Yung iba nga nauna sa'yo, wala ba?
Isang pirasong price lang naman yung asking me.
Bakit? Pwede ba yung toy lang? Hindi yung dalawa binili mo? So, ba't isang toy siya surprise lang? Ay, isang price lang, isang drinks.
Oh, di dalawa.
Well, meron ganong kidumil? Fresh price lang? Tsaka ano?
Yung
Drinks?
pop, yung maliliit, yung bago nila. Yung pop cake. 99 lang.
Kakasama na to? Drinks? One more. Oh. One more. Hey. Happy.